Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the straight line definition and inclination of a line and slope of a line and various forms of a line. Today's class, we are going to do the problems on various forms of a line. Okay. First problem, find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point 1, 2 and having inclination pi by 3. Means we have to find the equation of a line which is passing through the point 1, 2 and having inclination pi by 3. So given solution, given point is p1, 2, that is x1, y1, that is x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to 2. And inclination theta is given, theta equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 180 by 3. 180 by 3 means it becomes 60 degrees. Okay, but theta equal to pi by 3 is given. We have to find, we need to find, what we have to find? A straight line equation which is passing through the point P and given inclination theta equal to 60. Inclination is given means by inclination we get slope m equal to tan theta. So m equal to tan theta, slope of a line, that is tan 60. Tan 60 value what is root 3. So now we have the slope m value and the point x1, y1. So we have the formula, the equation of a line passing through the point P x1, y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. It is the equation of a line y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 is the equation of a line passing through the point x1, y1 and having a slope m. So substitute these values, y minus 2, y1 means here 2 and x1 means 1. So y minus 2 equal to root 3 into m value is root 3, x minus 1. So simplification, y minus 2 equal to root 3 into x minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3. This y minus 2 comes this side, root 3x as it is and minus y plus 2 minus root 3, it is a required equation. Root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 equal to 0. Next. Homework problem, find the equation of a line passing through the point 1, 2 and having slope 5. Means here m equal to 5 slope and point x1, y1 is 1, 2. Same formula, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here already m value is given. Okay, next. Find the equation of a line passing through the points 1, 2 and 3, minus 5. In this case, the given line is passing through the 2 points. So, given point A1, 2, that is x1, y1 and B minus 3, 5, that is x2, y2. Means x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to 2, x2 equal to minus 3, x3, y2 equal to 5. Okay. So, what is the formula? The equation of a line passing through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2, 2 points is given by y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 and substitute x1 value 1, y1 value 2, x2 value minus 3, y2 value is 5. In this formula we get y minus 2 equal to 5 minus 2 by minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 1. Simplification, y minus 2 equal to 5 minus 2 means 3, minus 3 minus 1 means minus 4 into x minus 1. So cross multiplication, minus 4 into y minus 2 equal to 3 into x minus 1. So minus 4y, minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8, 3x minus 3. So this minus 4y plus 8 will become this side, 3x minus 4y become plus 4y, minus 8 minus 3, that is minus 11. It is the required equation. 3x plus 4y minus 11 equal to 0. And ఈ ఫార్ములాలో y minus y1 equal to 2 point form, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 మైనస్ x1 ఇంటూ x మైనస్ x1. ఈ ఫార్ములాలో x1 వాల్యూ, y1 వాల్యూ, x2 వాల్యూ, y2 వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేసి ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ 1, -2, -2, 3. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ x1, ఇట్ ఈజ్ x2, y1, y2. x1 y1 and x2 y2. Sorry, first one is x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to -2, x2 equal to -2, y2 equal to 3. Next second one -5, 2, 3, -2, and fourth problem 0, 1 and 3, -4. To the homework, these three problems are homework, same one. Next, find the intercepts made by the line 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. We have to find intercepts. Means we have to find x intercept and y intercepts. For example, if line is intersects like this, this is the value. This distance is called x intercept and this distance is called y intercept. So x intercept A, we have to find y intercept B. So given line a 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So compare the equation 1. It is taking as 1 with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. ax plus by plus c equal to 0 తో కంపేర్ చేయాలి. కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to -5. We have formula. What is the x intercept formula? In the previous class, minus we discussed it is minus c by a. C value is -5. So minus of -5 by a means 2. Minus of minus plus 5, that is 5 by 2. And y intercept minus c by b formula. X intercept is minus c by a. Y intercept means minus c by b. Minus of minus 5 by b means here 3. So 5 by 3. Minus of minus plus 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is the y intercept and x intercept is 5 by 2. Okay. This is x intercept formula and y intercept formula. I am substituting the values. And this problem can be done in another method. How means we have to convert this into intercept form. So given line same 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. If minus 5 comes to RHS constant, becomes plus 2x plus 3y equal to 5. So divide equation with 5. 2x by 5 plus 3y by 5 equal to 5 by 5. 5 by 5 means we get 1. So x by this 2 will becomes to denominator. X by 5 by 2 plus y by 5 by 3 equal to 1. X by 5 by 2 by plus y by 5 by 3 equal to 1. It is in the form of intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, x by a plus y by b equal to 1 form loki vachindi, where a is the x intercept and b is the y intercept. Therefore here x intercept is 5 by 2, y intercept is 5 by 3. ఈ మెథడ్లో కూడా చేయొచ్చు. అంటే ఇచ్చిన గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ని ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఫామ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ వస్తుంది, వై ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ వస్తుంది. లేదా అనదర్ మెథడ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఎక్స్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ అండ్ వై ఇంటర్సెప్ట్. ఫర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ పుట్ y ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఇన్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ 1. ఈక్వేషన్ 1లో y ఈక్వల్ టు 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఎక్స్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే వై ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ వస్తుంది. సో పుట్ y ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఇన్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ 1. 2x plus 3 into 0 minus 5 equal to 0. 3 into 0 means 0. 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore 2x equal to 5. That is x equal to 5 by 2. That is the x intercept value. And for y intercept, put x equal to 0 in the equation 1. That is 2 into 0 plus 3 into y minus 5 equal to 0. 2 into 0, 0. 3y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 by 3. Sorry, it is 5 by 3. Y equal to 5 by 3. Okay. X intercept is 5 by 2 and y intercept is 5 by 3. Next. That means we will find this x intercept and y intercept by 3 methods. Okay. Next problem. Homework problems 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. Find the x intercept and y intercept in any one of the methods. 3 method lo a method aina use cheyochu. Okay. Next problem. Find the equation of a line making intercepts 1 by 3 and 4 by 5. సో నౌ రివర్స్. ఇంతకుముందు ప్రాబ్లంలో ఏంటి, ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్తే ఎక్స్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ అండ్ వై ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం x intercept y intercept is given, we have to find equation. Okay, given x intercept is 1/3 and y intercept is 4/5. X intercept equal to 1/3, a equal to 1/3, b equal to y intercept, b equal to 4/5. Then the formula is the equation of a line having intercepts a comma b is x intercept a, y intercept b is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, where a equal to 1/3, b equal to 4/5. So substitution values, x by 1/3 plus y by 4/5 equal to 1. ఈ 1/3 ఏమవుతుంది, రెసిప్రోకల్. ఇక్కడ 4/5 కూడా రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది. 3x, it is 3/1 means 3x, it is 5/4. So 5y by 4 equal to 1. 4 is the LCM, 12x plus 5y equal to 1. So cross multiplication, 12x plus 5y equal to 4 into 1, 4 it was a minus. So 12x plus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line having x intercept is 1/3 and y intercept is 4/5. So intercept is the equation కనుక్కోవడానికి ఫార్ములా x by a plus y by b equal to 1, a value b value substitute. Next homework problems 15/3 and 7/5. So x intercept is 15/3, a value small a value, and y intercept is 7/5, that is b value small b. And next third problem 3, 4, x intercept a equal to 3 and y intercept b equal to 4. And next problem, if slope of the line kx plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 is 3, then find the value of k. Okay, the given line is line is given 3x kx plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Its slope is 3. Then we have to find this coefficient of x means k value control. So we have the formula. What is the slope? Kx plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Its slope is given 3. If line is, general equation of a line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, its slope is minus a by b. General form లో ఉంటే స్లోప్ ఏంటి, మైనస్ a by b. సో మైనస్ a అంటే a అంటే ఏముంది ఇక్కడ k, సో మైనస్ k. b అంటే ఏముంది 2, సో మైనస్ k by 2 equal to 3. ఆల్రెడీ 3 is given. మైనస్ a by b, మైనస్ a means k ఉంది, k, b means 2, so minus k by 2 equal to 3. Cross multiplication, minus k equal to 2 into 3, 6, that is k equal to minus 6. Okay, next homework problems. Find the value of x if the slope of the line joining the points 2, 5 and x, 3 is 2. Slope means slope of 2 points is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to 2. In the formula lo substitute cheste idi x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 5, x2 equal to x, y2 equal to 3, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. ఈ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం హోంవర్క్. ఫైండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ లైన్ ఈజ్ 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. ఫైండ్ ఇట్స్ స్లోప్ అండ్ y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్. ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు, దాని యొక్క స్లోప్ కనుక్కోవాలి, y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ కనుక్కోవాలి బై యూజింగ్ ఫార్ములా. స్లోప్ ఫార్ములా మైనస్ a by b అండ్ y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఈజ్ మైనస్ c by b. Okay, this is the fundamental problems and different problems on various forms of a line. In the next class we will discuss about other formulas and problems. Okay, do the homework problems and complete your fair notes also. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please send me a message or call to me. Thank you.